Okay, so we have two parts to this problem. First, we're going to start out with figuring out our ending inventory. So they give us some information here below, and then we will just kind of plug in some numbers. So we need our beginning inventory as of June 1st. And so let's see, that is the 77,400. And our net purchases, 23,900. And so that gets us 101,300. Then step 2, we are taking our net sales. So right here they give us that. So 122,500 times our previous gross profit, so 45%. So 55,125. Then we want our net sales number again, so 122,500 minus our gross profit, which is that number we just calculated, so 55,125. So 67,375. And then we need our cost of merchandise available for sale. So we calculate that here in step 1. So 101,300 minus the estimated cost of our merchandise sold, which we calculated in step 3. So 67,375. Equals 33,925. Okay, and so then on to our next part, preparing our income statement. So we still have this that we just completed, so we can kind of fill in our numbers here. And here, remember, we did this back in accounting 1. So our net sales was 122,500. Our beginning inventory, 77,400. And our net purchases, 23,900. Merchandise available for sale, we already added that up here, so 101,300. Our estimated ending inventory is here at the end, so the 33,925. So I'll take the 101,000 minus 33,925 and get 67,375. Okay, so then we have to subtract to get our gross profit. So 122,500 minus 67,375, which gets us 55,125. And then lastly, we have our operating expense that we are going to subtract out from that number. And so our net income is 16,660. Okay, and then the final thing we do is calculate our percentages over here. Net sales will always be 100%, and then we're just dividing each number by the sales number. So 67,375 divided by 122,500 gives us 55%. Then our gross profit, so 55,125 divided by 122,500 equals 45%. And then 38,465 divided by 122,500 equals 31.4. And then our net income divided by the 122,500 equals 13.6. And let's make sure that it is all correct. Oh, 13. Right. Sorry, so that last one's 13, not 12. Okay, which they're telling me I can't fix it now, so I just typed in the wrong thing. So 13.6. And there we go.